Oh, sketch your back. We're stretching before our workout.
Here you go.
Do a couple of these. You want to hit legs at all or no?
No. Never. Who does legs?
Dude, come on.
You gotta do legs, bro. Legs are the most important.
Show us your legs.
Maybe we could do,
Not much, dude.
Dude, maybe we could do push-pull legs, bro.
Watch this. Let's see if it works. Scary?
No.
You need to warm up your chest, dude. We're doing chest today.
Is that what we're doing?
Chest and try.
Here we go. You guys are, you're doing something, that's for sure.
Watch this. Golf claps. Golf claps. Skulls. Skulls.
That's a good warm up. Yeah, perfect. There we go.
This is good. I think we're ready to go. I mean, like...
He's almost here.
No, that's what I mean. Like, I'm saying I think we're ready. Like, I feel ready.
No, we're not ready. Gotta put us to real. You know this? Oh yeah, I used to do that, yeah. What is it called then?
Foot stretch.
And up, ease. Up, ease.
Well, that's actually
Up, ease.
Wait, how do you do that?
Up, ease. Up, ease. Up, ease. Up, ease. See how I hold it? Hold it. Slow down the resistance. Is he working out or is he sneezing? You're allergic to dogs?
No, maybe.
Oh my god.
Man, well, I'm a dog, so you're allergic to me. 12.
We gotta get some weight on here.
What if we do some warm up, like either flat bench or incline dumbbell?
Yeah. Easy. Flat bench, incline dumbbell. Let's do flat bench. Flat bench warm up.
Barbell or dumbbell?
Barbell. Alright.
Your grip's up though, dude.
No.
Put your thumbs on like these lines, each thumb. Yeah, there we go. Like make sure you're center when you're lifting, so you're not lifting that.
Yep.
More pressure on
No, yeah.
more, left or right shoulder. You want to be center. Lower on your chest.
Wait, I need to go like... Hold up, I need to move this up more. There we go. Why are you looking at me like that?
Me?
Right. Ready?
I'm trying to make sure you're not gonna die.
Oh yeah, this is light, yeah. Lightweight, baby.
Bring the chest down in your chest a little bit more though, because you're putting a lot of
Bring
stress.
the bar down?
Yeah, put the bar a little bit lower in your chest when you come down. And then kind of push up this way. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. Yeah, there we go. You're putting a lot of stress on your shoulders when you're lifting that high up.
All right, get a little warm-up set.
Where the f is the lines?
Yeah, you can feel the lines. Just make sure you're grabbing, your center of gravity, You don't want to grab the barbell off the center.
Yeah, you're right. This guy didn't rack this shit for right here. Oh, what is this, 10s?
15.
15.
Oh, Jynxzi, you're a pussy.
Do a clap.
So wait, what is this bench press? Like what? Like 50, 50, 45, 95?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, easy.
You're uneven again, dude. Your grip's all.
Soccer player? What the
Dude,
fuck is going on?
It's the grip. Dude, the weight, the weight is easy. It's the grip.
Dude, make sure your hands are in the middle. You're not using the weight. You're lifting like to the side and shit.
Thumbs on the grip. You can't see it. This grab like this.
But should I be like here? You know what I mean? Where should I be? Here?
Yeah, you should chest, not your fucking
Should my
neck.
chest be in line with the bar?
No, your eyes should be in line with the bar.
My eyes? Okay. All right, now they are. Yeah.
Let me see.
Dude, yo! All right, my eyes are. Pretty intense warm up.
Wait until Diego gets here.
You're far up on the bench too. You need to slide down the
I
bench.
know, that's what I'm saying. Like,
You holding it up there too is burning.
Racket.
bro, let me just move up here like this.
Where's the crack? Do you feel the crack of the bench?
No, now
Where's
I do.
the
Oh my,
crack?
yeah.
Put the crack in your ass
Okay, yeah. All right, now I'm good. Are you sure? Bro, you're... Chill, chill. Bro, you're psyching me out.
No, you're putting it waist. You're like so.
You go. Dude,
It's on your chest. Like below. It should be right here.
It's the alignment, bro.
Right here, Jynxzi. Like you're doing
Let me
it.
see how you do it. Let me see how you do it.
Here, I'll show
Watch
you.
anyone else that knows how to.
You want the
Have
bar?
you
You
ever
want the
bench
bar?
pressed?
You want the bar with your eyes, so your
And
bench is
Tfue,
flat.
the bar goes right here.
Yeah. Well, your bench is like your bench is kind of flat. You know, you want to slide. You want to slide your shoulders back and down with that, and then make sure your grip is even. You know, the bar's kind of fucking wonky now, but yeah, when you rack it, you're coming like right here. You should be down here. So when you
Wait, where am I coming? Where am I coming?
You're like right here. You're benching like all your shoulders.
Bro.
So you want to come down to your chest lower right here,
Got
and
it.
then kind of press out, like press kind of up. So instead of like coming straight up and down, you want to come down your chest right here, and then kind of push up like that.
Got it.
So when you come down your chest like that, and you're press up like that.
Oh, here we go. What's up, bro? What's going on, huh?
Oh my God, Pavia.
Whose gym is this?
This is Diego. Diego, this is Tfue.
Good to see you again.
See you, brother.
Give it going? Nice to meet you, man. What's up, man? How's it going?
We need help.
We're just warming up, just doing.
What's up, bro? Diego.
Doing warm-ups.
Turner.
Oh, Turner?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Heisman finalist.
What are you guys lifting?
All SEC.
We are just doing bench press, just warming up. Chilling.
nice.
Yeah, we're waiting for you because you're gonna be our trainer, right?
I don't know about a trainer, but I'll be, you need a spot?
Yeah. We could do all that.
Spot him. Let's see how comfortable you are now.
Oh, what are you benching over here, huh?
Dude,
got all the weights in here?
Not a lot. Shit. I'm trying to help these guys in their bench press.
Sketch, what are you pushing?
He's strong.
I just pushed that 20 times.
I'm a mud cat.
What size shirt is that?
Large?
What size?
You doing good?
What
Bell check. Bell check's girlfriend's?
Dola gave me this.
Who?
Dola.
Dola.
Danny Amendola?
He gave you a cutoff jacket, short sleeve.
With the hood on it. Hoodie gang.
Hoodie gang.
Who's on the bench?
Who's on the bench?
It's Jynxzi.
Yeah. Come on, see what you got.
Yeah, me.
Come on, Jynxzi.
Show Diego what you can do.
Yeah. No big deal, bro. Just got this right here. All right.
Have you lifted before?
Good question.
Good question.
No.
Fuck's sake.
That hit the thing.
Alright.
I got one more in me.
You got one more?
I got one more in me. No, I don't. So like, got like one good rep in there.
No, those are 2 solid reps.
Yeah, do so.
And they're controlled on the way down.
Thank you. 2 solid
You
reps.
controlled the weight
solid
by
reps.
keeping it off your neck. Awesome job.
Is your shirt inside out?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Oh, yes. Sketch knows what the he's doing.
You see that?
There we go. He's strong, dude. Sketch he's got some muscles on him.
He's been working out with, what's her name?
Sarah Safari.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Give me one more.
My left shoulder's giving out.
No, you got one more. Come on.
Sorry, spot. Real tits.
Hey,
Nothing fake.
not a lot of people know about that Kirkland white tee, though.
Hey,
Bro, save some hoes for the rest of us.
see that?
So you guys want to do like tricep or something?
We do triceps?
Yeah, tricep.
We'll do triceps.
Tfue, what's the best?
What's the best tricep workout?
This thing?
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that looks good. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Get sturdy on
Why is no one on ops?
because this is a non-copyright room.
Here, let's see this.
Like,
I like to do these.
This is the best.
But this is like, you just grab these no attachments and then just stay in the middle right here. Let's do these. I like that.
Okay. So do that one.
You ever seen that before?
Never in my life.
Grab it by the balls. Grab it by the balls.
Yes.
Grab a cross grip. Now. Your grip's all fucked up.
Yeah, hold on.
Wait, what?
You got underhand.
It's like right here.
Yeah. Here we go.
This one right here.
Yeah, just like that.
You get a good grip on these right here.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, like that.
We gotta have the weight though.
Yeah, it sounds like a good burn there.
Here, grab that with your right.
Right?
Yeah.
All right. And then left.
Yep.
Then like that.
Yep.
Ooh, there we go. He's shaking. Ooh. He's
He's got a horseshoe on him.
Horseshoe or dog step.
Good, how are you?
I've been chilling. How was that Ole Miss game?
It was sick.
Did you like it?
Woo!
You feel it?
Woo! Oh shit. Yeah, that was good.
Watch this.
That was great. That's awesome. I never did that before. What?
Math.
Don't go that far back though. Just keep it right here.
Language arts.
And the important motion.
PE.
Damn.
Music. Theater. Orchestra. Food.
Michelob Ultra Gold.
Michelob Ultra. Boobies. Jynxzi.
Yo.
Jynxzi.
Dude.
Jynxzi.
Was it like 14?
Jynxzi.
Yeah, I don't know, racking up some pretty.
No problem.
All right. Here we go. Dude, you actually have muscle, dude.
What do you mean, actually?
I didn't know you had like crazy amount of
I
muscle.
go outside.
Yeah, you got muscle.
I stay outside. Look at Diego. This guy, you got much more muscle than me.
I got what?
More muscle than me.
Let's do this one, dude. This one's
What do you do?
a little easier to rack. Okay, up the weight though. Oh, sorry, say again.
Get his legs.
Wait.
Get close up his legs.
80. You say swimmer's build?
Is it bad?
Dude, yeah, bro.
Phelps.
Yeah. See Michael Phelps in me? Looks like he's smoking crack.
Do that.
Do that? Like, okay.
We'll crank the weight.
You gotta do it like this, dude. Here. You gotta grab it with like two hands, like this, you know, and then just like pull it back, you know. Like that.
Never did that.
I'm not doing that one.
Yeah. This is like the goat machine.
She's a flex. I haven't even started trying yet. 7. 8.
Got a good bicep going on here, man. Tricep too?
Jynxzi.
All right.
Jynxzi. Nicholas Stewart.
Okay.
Jynxzi.
Let's crank the weight a little bit.
I feel like Soldier Boy.
I got 10 on there. See if I can get like 90.
That's it. Might be in trouble then. Feel the burn. Are you gonna lift 2 kilos or are you just stay here?
What?
I got
Get
you.
some reps in, man.
This one looks a little sus.
What?
I don't know.
What graphic are you going for here?
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Is that practice or is that?
You guys want to do it like you're doing it?
No, do your thing. Do your thing.
Well, do it
Yeah, do whatever you feel comfortable. I might try one of those. The one you just did.
Well, face pulls?
Yeah, face pull. Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I might try one of those. We call it the big gulp. You squeeze at the end too. It's good. All right, let's want to do these ones, sketch? All right, this one does look a little interesting.
Don't look down the barrel.
All right, yeah.
It's intimidating.
Like that, or am I doing it
Do it higher up.
higher up, like
Yeah, like that.
like that?
Yeah.
It might be a little too heavy. Hold on. Let me go.
Put the lighter on it.
This one looks really sus.
You're making shit up now.
Dude, you're laughing on my backswing. You got those things? Yeah, I got the phone. I don't know, this one's a little... That's good. Yeah, that's better. As long as you don't look down the barrel. Don't look at it in the eyes.
I'm rocked up now.
Just one more of those.
All right. Yeah, 3 sets of diddy pulls and we're good.
All right. 1, 2. It really does look like I'm sucking a penis right now. 3, 4. Dude, don't fucking. Take a picture of me? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got water in here? There's been zins and beers today. Catching up. Take a picture. Okay. Thank you, mate.
Oh my god.
All right. Maybe we go back and just try some reps.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I'm too goobered up to even do.
Those are good reps, man. You're digging deep.
Oh.
Oh.
Jynxzi.
Can you do left hand?
Jynxzi. Nicholas Stewart.
All right, dude. Government name?
Jynxzi. Jynxzi.
Can you do left hand? No.
Can you do left hand?
Yeah, like left hand.
If I have a shake weight, yeah.
Oh my god. What's next? Yeah, I'll do the next. What do we got next?
You said you wanted to do chest after, dude.
That's good chest workout, right?
Yeah, we should finish with like either chest flies or cable.
What do you think next?
Do incline dumbbell.
Yeah. Incline dumbbell, so
Yeah.
we did a, might need to use that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we use that real quick for the?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Smash it.
Okay, incline dumbbell. So we got, let me think here.
Help him form, Diego. He doesn't know what the fuck he's doing.
How big is that fan, you think?
I think it's a big ass fan.
Oh my God, that is a big thing.
It does spin, I think. I don't know.
All right. See this? So yeah, just grab the dumbbells.
Yeah, warm up. Grab like.
Yeah, Sketch, you want to go first? For what? The incline dumbbell press?
Put some like 40s or something. Or just grab 60s.
60s.
Some 50s. The sketch is strong.
There's no music to get me motivated. It's all depression. Which one? Couldn't decide.
Hop on the Bluetooth.
We got the aux going?
Yeah, connect to the Bluetooth.
Let me get it. Good shit, Sketch.
Go to the Bluetooth. I think it's called. Yeah, total PA.
Yeah. Don't shoot Jynxzi.
I'm a country boy.
Baby, just in case you wake up wanting me out of the blue.
Can you, yeah, let's go do 25.
You could grab the 40s. You're already kind of warmed up, dude. You know?
Yeah, I'll get that.
I'm having a good time, baby.
You know what? Crank that up. Yeah, crank that.
Now I'm feeling it. Jump in there. Oh. 25s? Really go up. Really go up. So lead up from here. That buddy got 2 chains on, bro. Man, that shit's like, I left the 40 grand at home.
You know, made $1 million off a mixtape. Facts. Chat, W to the chat. W to the chat. I want you a weak little on G3 right now.
Jeez. That is still what Jynx did? I need a banger song for this one. For this next set, banger song. I just give me a rapper. I gotta do the thing. Thoughts. Don't act like. 3, 2.
30s.
That's 60, man.
No, he just picked us up on the golf cart. You're riding golf carts.
For a gamer, that's pretty impressive.
We're just homeless. He found us at the VIP.
I'm actually staying with Sketch.
No, you're not.
$2 today, you can sponsor me.
You said what?
I could stay with you?
You stay with me. You stay with us.
The gang.
Us.
Couple more sets? Yeah, no big
Up the
deal.
weight a little bit though.
Yeah.
Maybe you get like
You wanted to do this.
45,
This was your idea.
55.
I don't think I could do 45s.
Good, I think.
Either one.
Maybe like, he gave me one.
I think the barbell though, you did 45s.
Somebody kicked me.
I don't know if there's any more.
Yeah.
Turn down more water.
Yeah, there's water. Katie brought water.
Maybe after this set.
Thank you. Work, Jynxzi, work.
I went from 30 strong. I don't know if I'm gonna get this up.
Yes, you can.
Dude, yes you can.
Yes, you can.
You paused it?
Spotting you.
I'm locked in now. Okay. Sketch, can you help me here, Sketch? Sketch!
Yeah.
Can you help me here? Just help me get it up. Help me get it up. Help me get it up. Wait, no, not like that. No. Not get it up. Not get it up. Like, help me get the weight up.
See this shit?
Not my penis, dude. The weight. Sketch, get it up like.
Help get your boy up.
Sketch, come on, help me get it up.
I haven't started trying yet.
Come on, dude.
Let's go.
No, like up here. Just help me lift it.
Need it up.
Help me lift it.
Need it up. There you go. Trying to help us from right here.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna need your help on these, okay?
Jynxzi.
There we go.
Jynxzi.
I'm good. Fuck. I'm good. Woo! Oh, shit. Alright, excuse me. Fuck.
Shit, he's money. What do we do next, Chad?
55.
Huh?
55.
Is there Twin Peaks?
What? Sketch 55?
What are we doing now?
You're doing 55s.
Yeah, we're talking.
Trainer said.
You're strong.
Damn, Sketch. No way.
This is a 100-pound bar.
What could we do next? 20 minutes in.
Jynxzi, this is called You Shall Not.
What is it called?
You shall not pass.
That's a game dog.
You shall not. You shall not.
All right.
You shall not.
Those are pretty fun. Those ones?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are fun. What's this one called? Like that? Start on 100. See how Hey, sketch. Sketch. Am I muted? Sketch. Sketch.
Just keep your shoulders down, and then at the end, when you squeeze at the end, like really straighten your arms out and squeeze your chest right here.
Oh yeah, that feels better.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that felt better. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that feels better. Squeeze right here.
That's where you're gonna get the contraction, is at the end, right
Yeah.
there. You straighten those elbows out and really just squeeze the chest.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. We'll do one more. Hey, sketch. Want to do this? Pectoral.
Was this Jynxzi's weight?
This is more your song right here,
Got shot 12 times, still standing. Still standing.
Many men. Oh! Clap it.
Damn, boy.
In his prime. Y'all. Show some tits. Show some tits.
What? What? Keep pumping.
Keep your back on that bench. Focus on the chest.
We go 115. 130, pushing it. 115, 115, 115.
Your form is getting bad. You're letting your shoulders come up.
Because it's heavy.
Yeah.
Don't get turtlenecked.
I can do this shit, bro. 115. I'm shot. I'm just shot. I'm shot.
Catching that lady mouth.
Catching the ladyfish. The whole day. I'm shot. I'm shot. I can do another one, but I need like 3 minutes. I'm shot.
It's about 3
I'm
minutes
fucking
here
shot.
now.
Let me fall asleep. Let me fall asleep. I'm sleepy, Steve. See me have coffee? I fall asleep. Hell, I fall asleep. Mocked.
Wake the up.
Mocked. 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 Mocked.
You're stronger than we did.
That's all I need to hear. We're good, let's go.
Stronger than we did.
That's all I need to hear.
God, my arms are fucking shot. My arms are shot.
So we gotta talk about farts helped.
Tarts off.
Is that lighting or no?
Does that look jacked or no? Does that kind of look big? Is your horse?
Everything's popping right now.
Hold on, let me put it on the 40 piece. Put it on the chains, dog.
That's like perfect for me. Definitely not. My right shoulder's so fucked up.
And make that metal detector go off. The pep.
Your mic too cheap.
I got 2 of them, so no worries. Everything, I got everything.
It's a good time to jump a freestyle.
Hey, I forgot.
Might need to get you a blunt.
Come on.
Get sketch a blunt. Let him hit a freestyle.
Let me get a little blunt.
My buddies. No. My buddies. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're just on the beach.
What's all the chicks saying in the chat?
What is it? Chest for days?
No, these are fake boobs. No silicone. W beer belly.
Some dumbbells? Some bicep?
That one pack.
Sketch.
They said, don't call me beer belly.
They said beer belly?
Say beer belly.
What'd you guess, him?
Hey, why'd you guess him?
Let's do some bicep curls. Want to?
Sure.
Bicep curls? Alright. Tell Chad to put some W's in the chat right here. Like that form, Jynxzi? Yeah, that's good form. That's great. Jumbo shrimp, straight out the lake. You do it diagonal?
Yeah.
To like isolate the bicep?
It extends the muscle more.
Extends the muscle more?
Yeah. So you get all that blood flow in there. Let me get one more.
Yeah. That looks pretty good. What should I do? Like 20? So it's 15?
20's not fair. You want to get like somewhere you could like
Wrap it a lot
down too. Try 15. Yeah.
So it's diagonal?
Yeah.
Kind of like that or not?
Yep. All the way down.
Oh yeah.
You can get 10. Well, I used to start off with 10. See these ones?
Hard nights, long life. Long pipe.
I like how you put it to the chain.
Like that? That's the wave shit.
No pain, no gain.
Ain't no chain, no chain. No chain, no dog.
Diagonal ones?
Those are fire, huh? What do you think about them?
Yeah, those are good. Dude, when you told me to go all the way down,
Yeah.
let's go.
I got one on those like a 2 weeks ago.
Damn, boy. Got some muscle on it, man.
What do I do? What do I do? Better drink beer.
Work out and drink beer.
Yeah.
I gotta brag real quick. We have Vandy girls. Killers. Vandy girls are gonna win it all this year. And boys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, let me have those 15s. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, whoa, whoa.
One one? Another one?
It's my last set, baby. Hey, Jynxzi.
Yo,
You live out here?
yeah, I live around here. Where do you live?
Here for now.
Here for now?
I'm on the road though.
Just training.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, hey, what's up? Sorry, just chilling. Just chilling.
You guys gonna finish out your dips? Yeah. Really burn the chest.
Sketch, you want to finish with dips?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it.
Chips and dip or what?
Nah, dips.
No chips.
You out here?
Yeah, we'll dips over here. Just do like 3 sets of these. Oh.
As many as you can.
Yeah, like 3 real sets.
Get low, get low. There we go. Yeah. Jump off the flow. Jump off the flow.
Oh my god. That's 5. 4. That's hard. Holy
5. Got at least 6 in you.
And the diamond's still hitting. And the diamond's still hitting, brother. Here we go.
There we go.
No way.
Come on.
Is it this?
You can't touch the floor.
No. Get it from arms up.
Arms up? Get what? Oh.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it. Arms up.
Here. Put your
I take that.
here, put like a or something. Yeah, like do like
Trainer Tfue.
Or yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. You know? Get it there. And then,
Oh shit.
that might be too easy though.
Bouncing on it.
Yeah, that's how. Well, maybe give it half of it or something. That might be too easy for you.
This doesn't go the right way. It's gonna be very painful.
All the way up, all the way down. Oh, he's cheating now. That's too easy. That's
Jumping out of that feel weird?
No. Watch these. You know what these are called?
What?
Thank you, Jynxzi.
Oh my god, dude. Alright. Dude, these are crazy. I don't know if I'll be able to get 5.
You gotta get, come on, get 6.
You said 3 M-raps.
Isn't it supposed to progressively get less and less reps though as you do it?
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely will.
Beer belly stuff really hurt my feelings.
Try to get 5. Get 5.
Feeling myself for a second.
The cup chair, huh? In the corner?
What? It's a great place to rest. Someone's got to put on for the city, Jynxzi. Someone's got to put on for the city. No teachers up.
Come on, dude. It's all just body weight, dude, you know?
It's where I get lost.
Holy God damn.
He goes outside. Home field advantage.
Yeah.
Home field advantage, yeah. Home field advantage. Jesus, bro.
Now you're just showing off.
No, you guys just did more benching, you know?
Yeah. True. All right, Sketch, you're up.
I give up. Huh? I give up.
You give up? All right, I got one more set. Trainer's got you, bro. Come on, jump in there.
Yeah, dude, the fuck?
I'll get in the cup chair.
Freak.
What's going on here?
What's going on here?
All right, guys, come on. Let's see at least 5 here.
Thank you, T-Field.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Thank you, Turner. Thank you,
6,
Turner. Thank you, Turner.
9,
Thank you, Turner.
10,
Thank you, Turner.
2,
8. Record.
Nice, guys.
All right, I need at least 5 here.
Yep.
1 and 1.5. 2.5.
Dude, come on, you can't do that.
No, you can.
No, come on.
No, I'll get the chair for you.
All right.
Let's see what works better.
All right, come on.
Oh, I'm shot. I'm past failure.
Or at least 10 push-ups though.
What?
10 push-ups?
Yeah.
I can do 10. Sketch, you want to do 10 push-ups?
10 push-ups? Yeah.
Gym sucks.
10 push-ups?
I want to play Xbox.
No, not push-ups, push-ups.
All right, let's do it. Let's just do it. Sketch, I got 10, you got 10?
I up to 10, usually 10.
All right, 10 push-ups, come on.
I'll do everything you do. Ray Luke style.
You guys didn't even burn your chest and tries out yet.
He's not a real man.
2,
Okay, puppy's on. Puppy's looking at me.
3.
Oh, fuck, I got clipped. Okay. This puppy's really
Hey, get up.
Okay.
Actually, stay up on him though.
Fuck! All right, come on, I'm not a pussy.
Quitter!
No, fuck!
Quitter!
I'm shot, dude, I'm shot! been here before, Chad. I can do 20, but not after an hour workout.
Oh, dude. 1 1/2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6 set. All right, that's 10. All right, let's go get some beers. All right, successful gym session.
Now what?
Well, now we end the stream.
Now we're warmed up.
No! What? Warmed up? We were warming up on 45-pound bench presses.
6 hours of hard work.
I'm warm. I'm warm. I'm hot. I'm done. Successful gym stream. Successful fishing stream too.
Yeah.
Semi-successful fishing stream. We did catch a redfish though.
We did catch a redfish.
Caught a fish in the body.
We didn't catch a body. But yeah, good stream.